Hello guys, welcome to our chapter number 6. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can create your own desired amount of shortcut in Photoshop. So let's get started guys. Hello everyone, welcome to our 6th lesson of creating your own shortcuts, right? So if you want to create your desired amount of shortcuts by yourself with your desired shortcut keys, you can just totally create with the help of this technique which I'm gonna show you, right? So very first thing we need to do is just go to the edit, and here we are gonna go to the keyboard shortcuts, and here all the things really happens. Now if you wanna go to the file menu, if you want to save or create any kind of shortcuts of the save, here already there has been created. Adobe has already created the default shortcuts, right? But if you want to create your own, you can totally create. Suppose that's there is already, I don't want to change this all shortcuts, but if you want to do something else, right? So just make a duplicate of the image. Where is that? So here, if you want to create a duplication of this image of the shortcut, if you want to create a shortcut of the duplicate, what I will do is I'll just make a press Ctrl, Alt and delete, right? So it will, if this already shortcut is already present in your shortcut list, then you will see this window will be shown, right? So if you just click on the accept button, so it will just create this shortcut, in particular this window or this tool which you have created, and the rest of the tools which you have, it was already present, that would be removed, right? So this is how you can create a shortcut. Suppose we have created this shortcut, and it will just give it as a OK. So as you can see, if I want to create or duplicate, if you want to duplicate this particular image, what we are doing, just go to the image and select the duplicate, right, and just hit OK. So it will create two different tabs. But what if I want to create directly the duplication with the help of shortcuts which we have created? Just press Ctrl, Alt and D. So it will automatically create an amazing shortcut or duplicate the window which you have created. So this is how you can create lots of shortcut with the help of keyboard shortcuts. So as you can see, you can just browse all the windows. If you want to adjust, you can see the difference. If you want to create an RGB, just press Ctrl, Alt and R. So it will create a RGB layer, and just if you want to create a CMYK color, Ctrl, Alt, C, and if you just hit OK and you are done. So this is how you can create of levels and exposure, vibrance. There are a lot of already tools already given, so you can just create color balance and a lot of tools, hue and saturation, that you can play with. Control hue, photo filter and color lookup, and there are a lot of things, right? Guys, it is actually given. Press Ctrl N to just accept and go to config. So this is how you can just do it. Press Ctrl Alt New. So it will just create a command of this button particular. So you can create your own shortcuts with the help of this shortcut and keyboard shortcut and menus button or tool, right? And just hit OK and create your own shortcut. So guys, thank you for watching, and see you in the next lesson. Till then guys, be creative and be awesome.